Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model tour of the Capri floor plan. That's part of the executive line of homes at many Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Capri is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage, and you're gonna get just under 1,700 square foot of living space. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful floor plan by Lennar Homes. So as we walk into the home here, we're gonna focus our attention on the right-hand side. And right over here is the entry to your laundry space and your 2-car garage right there. And then directly across from that, you've got your dining space right here overlooking the beautiful kitchen area. Plenty of room right here at the countertop for some bar stools and additional seating. And then back here, you have a nice little eat-in kitchen area right next to the pantry. So nice open kitchen. And this all overlooks your great room area right over here. So you've got your living room space here. And just off the living room here, you have the guest bath with the singular sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower. And then we have our 2 guest bedrooms right here off the guest bath. Both of these guest bedrooms feature the bifold style closet doors. There's bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2 here. Now last but not least, on the interior, we have the master suite. So coming right across the great room space here, we'll walk into the master, which has 1 large walk-in style closet. And then you also have the master bath here. You've got a linen closet, the dual sinks, really large shower here. And then you have your enclosed water closet right here. Now last but not least, we have the exterior living space here on the Capri. So you have a nice little lanai under truss. And this doorway here gives you access directly into the guest bath or pool bath if you want to use it as such. And this overlooks all of the views at the community that you're purchasing in. All right, folks, so if you're interested in the Capri floor plan, we would be happy to help you find it at one of the Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.